Hello there, my friends, and welcome. Did you know that digital marketing was the fastest growing career in 2024 and is projected to be a $1.5 trillion industry by 2030? That's just 5 years from now. So, if you're wondering if digital marketers get paid well, you're in the right place at the right time. I want you to stick around to the very end of this training because I have some exciting bonuses for you. Hey, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from Partner with Angela. I'm a single mother of 2 children. I'm based here in Dublin, Ireland, currently studying for my degree in business and marketing. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money and never being able to catch up with either one of those two. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed. I was stressed and frustrated. I was so sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family. And I was trying to squeeze the time to build my side hustles, and I felt like my back was against the wall, and I was just going around and round in circles, frustrated. I felt like I had an expensive hobby because I was spending more money trying to build these businesses than I was earning from it. From network marketing, affiliate marketing, crypto trading, drop shipping, you name it, I've been there and done that. It was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that things started to change for me. And this led me to, in 2024, July 2024, I came across a proven step-by-step blueprint, which a grandmother of 6 children and 5 grandchildren went from zero experience, zero technical skills, zero following to earning over $1 million in just 17 months. And now I'm actually learning how to attract my perfect customer using social media. So I no longer have to bother my family and friends. I no longer have to slide into people's DMs. And what I love about this program is even though it was a one-time payment with no monthly subscriptions, I still get weekly live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6 and 7-figure earners. So if you're wondering, does digital marketing pay well? Then I want to share with you how much you could get paid as a digital marketer if you're in Ireland, Dublin, Ireland, or you can just equate this to different countries, right? So different currencies, different countries, because you can work as a digital marketer, or you can actually do freelancing where you can work for yourself, and you can actually start a business as a digital marketer as well. So I'm going to give you the 3 options on how much you can earn so you can make an informed decision. But first and foremost, what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is all about promoting your product or service online. So it could be a physical product or a digital product, it doesn't matter, but you're going online to market to your target audience. And there's different types of digital marketing. There's SEO, search engine optimization, there's social media, there's paid ads, there's classified ads. What else is there? There's AI, chatbots. There's different ways that you can connect with your target audience. Email marketing is huge, and there's no one size fits all. There's none that is better than the other. Right, the business, the marketing strategy based on your target audience, who they are, where they are hanging out. Okay, so if you decide to get into digital marketing, what kind of career, how much will you get paid as a job? Let me go ahead and share my screen here. Now, Indeed is a reputable site. They're actually a global company, but the results I'm going to show you are based in Dublin, right? As a digital marketing executive, this one doesn't have the price on it. Let me just keep going up here. Market content strategies, so you can earn between 50,000 and 60,000 a year, right? So that's really good. This company, Fitness Equipment Ireland, you could get paid 30 to 35,000 a year. There, but there's roles that you could do. Digital marketing manager, you get 40 to 50,000 a year, right there. So this will be equivalent to wherever you are. You could kind of just convert it and do your own search. But you could also do freelancing on a site like Upwork, where you could provide your services, right? Like this guy here, he's charging $30 an hour. He's based in Pakistan, and he's doing Facebook Ads Manager, lead generation. So he's doing SEO, right? So that's very, very powerful, paid ads. SEO, digital marketing, she's charging from India $10 an hour, $9 an hour from India. So there's different specialists there. $51 digital marketing expert strategies. So you could actually come here and advertise your services. However, if you want to make the real money, I want to share with you what's possible with our proven step-by-step blueprint. These are some of our wins. A day ago, Daryl made $900 while running to Spectrum at $900 customer coming through my automations. You could have an automation marketing system working for you. Muikali celebrating my first $100 win of 2025, right? So this is, she's in South Africa. She has a digital business, and already 2025, a day ago, she's able to make $100. And I'm looking for financial wins here. Another $900. Tim Chandler, I'm back on the saddle. The holiday season took its toll on my schedule, and now he's made another $900 sale. Willem, $100 ding. And let me see. So much, another $900 ding. Melina, 20 hours ago, congratulations. And so on, $900 ding. Willem, 1,824 hours, that's 14 hours ago. Alexandra, congratulations. And so on and so on. Okay, so you can actually learn the skills to market online the right way and be able to leverage this. So this is a live interactive coaching and mentorship. So every single week we have live interactive coaching and mentorship. So right now, today there's going to be one about thriving beyond TikTok, and on Monday you can see we have 3 different live interactive segment. This is a mentoring on Tuesday the 7th, and then we have a technical call to help you if you're getting stuck setting up your system. And we have, this is a bonus site, by the way. You can get an app on your phone, and we have 90-day runs where our millionaire mentor takes us by our hand every day and walks us through exactly, sometimes it's mindset like this one, sometimes it's skill set, and she just gives us assignments to do at the end of it, right? So this is a content vault where you can download content and upload it onto your social media. We have all the mentoring replays that you've missed. We have them here. We have a CEO of a platform come in here and mentor us. I have to still watch this one here. So it's very powerful way for you to actually achieve your financial goals in 2025. You can, if you want to learn how to build your brand, right? You can click the link in the description to check this out. You can learn digital marketing skills, and you can use those skills to build your own digital marketing business instead of using skills to build other people's businesses, okay? So if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. Oh, by the way, when you click the link in the description, you're going to get a copy of a free 10K in 30 days live interactive guide that's going to show you exactly how a business model works. And if you have any questions, please respond to the email. Let's have a conversation. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you might have. So smash that like button if you found value, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.